Iqiyaanay channel. So today this time I am in Ganting. We are in Ganting and I is also with me. So we are here for just for outing, but today weather is awesome. The weather is too much good, too much cold. I feel too much cold also. So I share with you everything what we are doing here and I show you. You can see. So stay connected, like my video, subscribe my channel, give me your feedback and press the bell icon, then you get the notification of another video. So now I show you everything and I show you the weather also. Stay connected, love you guys, thank you. And today my video is up and down because I forget to start at home when I leave home. So when I reach there I started my video that time, so that's why it's up and down, but no problem. But hope you people like this video. Host stay in Malaysia must go to Genting because their weather is so good. You enjoy, but don't go on holiday because weekend days. Yes, we go on weekend days, that's too much problem, too much people, too much crowd there. So but we enjoy a lot because the weather and also we change some time for ourselves, that's why. So I share with you what we do there because now it's already 3 or 4 3:30. It's 3:30 p.m. already. The time is too much. I don't know what we can do there when we reach. We can get rides or not, whatever. But what we do, I share with you. So please stay connected and watch the video till the end. Then you people know what we do. Yep. So this is the cable car. We want to sit in this. This can before we came by bus and now we want to take cable car and we want to go further by cable car and Ganting area. So this is very good ride. Yes, this is very good. We enjoyed this a lot. This little bit scary also. Sometimes you feel or you fall down, and it's amazing that it's too much raining and too much like scary, more scary, because normally it's not too much looks scary, but when it's rain it looks too much scary. So but we enjoyed a lot and I also enjoy a lot. Already we took our jacket, so when we reach there we wear that jackets also. So guys, this place is so cool and good. Okay, no, but actually I can't go every day. My team I can't go every day because there is too much work at home also, and I study also. Sometimes it's like this. That's why I can't follow every time and every day, and that's why sometimes I need to go, but I have a work when I am tired. But why people watch my videos if I am not going and I know make with them. You people know watch also that time. Please guys support me because I need your support, as you people know me every time, me. So please support me guys, okay? Don't forget to support me. So now we reach Genting because we don't want to go the inside area. We want to stay at outside area because inside area we visit many times. The outside area just newly open, that's why we want to see that and we want to enjoy their rides. But when we reach already, it's 5:30, so they say 6 o'clock it's closed, so we can't give you tickets. So we become too much sad. So then we go again inside and because Anaya feels sad, that's why she play their games and she enjoy a lot. But next time inshallah when we go like a good time and we reach in a good time like 2-3 like this, then we can enjoy the outside area. Then I show you the outside area and I share with you that area pictures or videos because that area is so cool. That newly open but too cool and too good. So that time I will show you. So stay connected guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, give me your feedback. No, because I want to do other music because why I do voiceover, because there is too much loud music and too much noise. That's why I can't speak that time. I make like voiceover because sometimes copyright come like that. So hope so people enjoy my video. Love you guys, stay connected.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake. Greatest mistake. Maybe I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake. Greatest mistake.
So here is our food, MacD, here is Anaya, MacD, chicken, and this is like secret recipe. Oh my god, it's Anaya's favorite thing, so that's why she want to eat this. So, okay. Okay.
This for you.
This for you and guys.